In this video, we're going to show you how to install the transfer case shift motor on your Nissan Frontier, located at the back end of your transfer case. With the hood open, we're going to use a 10mm wrench to loosen this nut and disconnect the ground terminal off of our battery. Go ahead and wiggle that off and just tuck that aside. Now, on the tail end of our transfer case, we have our transfer case shift motor here. There is a large electrical connector going to the back side of this here. So I'm going to start with a small pocket screwdriver. I'm going to put it right up inside this slit right here, push up and to release that lock tab, and I'm going to grab that connector and start to work that out. Now, you don't want to pull on the harness itself, so you want to try and grab that connector. I got to press on that. I like to press on the screwdriver and then push it out as you're pulling on it. Go ahead and pop that out, set that aside. Now, there are two 12mm bolts holding this unit to the back side of the transfer case. There's one on the bottom here, and diagonally up and across is one up top. There's also a vacuum hose on the top of the unit itself that can most of the time be just pulled off by hand. So there's the vacuum hose pulled off there. Now, on the bottom side, we're going to start by removing that bolt there, 12mm. You want to be careful with this here. Make sure that that bolt does not snap off inside the transfer case. Go ahead and remove that bolt. Now let's go ahead and get to the upper one. Go ahead and remove that bolt. Now we should be able to grab this unit as a whole, gently wiggle it, and pull us out of the back side of the transfer case. Now we have our old positioned to the new one here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this rubber cap and push that off. Now, the original part, the shaft is horizontal here. When it's installed on the vehicle, it's actually gonna be positioned this way here. So it's actually vertical, has a vacuum port on the top. When we install this one here, it's actually gonna be horizontal. So what you wanna do, grab a pair of pliers, something that does not have a lot of teeth on the inside of it. And what we're going to do is gently grab the shaft here and gently rotate this vertical, like so. This is going to fit into the portion inside the transfer case, and we're ready to install this. While we're here, also want to go ahead and pay attention to the O-ring that is here. What we're going to do is put a thin coat of transmission fluid around that O-ring that's going to help that seat and slide in. Now I just put some fluid on my glove here, rub it around that O-ring. Let's go ahead and place this up into the vehicle. All right, that'll drop right into place. I'm going to install the bolt on the upper left here, get that started in the transfer case. I like to thread these in as far as I can by hand. We'll go ahead and do the same for the bottom. With both of those bolts in place, let's go ahead and snug these down. Once that bottom's out, just give it a little bit more, and then we'll go ahead and get that upper one as well. With both of our bolts installed, let's go ahead and get to the top. Now, where the vacuum hose installs, there is a little rubber cap. You're gonna go ahead and grab that rubber cap and twist that off. I saved this for last. I don't want any debris to fall down inside of that vacuum port. And then go ahead and install the vacuum hose. Push it all the way down until it's fully seated. Go ahead and take that electrical connector, line that up, push that on. You can hear it and feel it snap into place. At this point here, you can go ahead and reconnect the battery. Go ahead and test out that four-wheel drive high and low operation. For any reason, if this does need to be set, you're going to need a scan tool to go ahead and set that. You may have to bring it to a local shop to do that, or if you have the scan tool, you can go ahead and perform that. Otherwise, you should be all set. You're ready to hit the road. Install the ground terminal and tighten down the nut here.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.